I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play F1 with two controllers. First, ensure both of your controllers are properly connected to your gaming system, whether it's a console or a personal computer. Once connected, launch the F1 game. From the main menu, you'll need to find the correct option to begin a split screen or local multiplayer session. This setup is crucial for enjoying the game with a friend right beside you. After reaching the main menu, look for an option labeled two-player or split screen. This is your gateway to local multiplayer fun. Once selected, you'll typically be prompted to choose a game mode, such as Grand Prix, Time Trial, or even a custom championship. Both Player 1 and Player 2 will then select their desired teams and drivers, preparing for the race ahead. It's a straightforward process designed for quick access to competitive racing. Before hitting the track, you'll have the opportunity to customize your race experience. This includes selecting your preferred circuit, the number of laps, and weather conditions. Importantly, each player can individually adjust their driving assists, such as traction control or braking assist, to match their skill level. Take a moment to review all settings and confirm both players are ready. This ensures a fair and enjoyable competition for everyone involved. With all settings confirmed and both players ready, it's time to start the race. The game will load the chosen track, and you'll find yourselves on the grid, ready for the lights to go out. Each player will have independent control over their car, displayed on their respective half of the screen. This local multiplayer experience offers a fantastic way to enjoy the thrill of F1 racing head-to-head with a friend, right from your couch. Have fun out there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.